Hey, beautiful people, welcome to episode 143 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about what you guys should do if your collection actually turned into a lawsuit. This is a quick video. This is not going to be a very detailed video. I suggest you get hints on what to do from this video and actually do a lot more research. And just make sure, above all, you make sure that you respond to your lawsuit. Like, you will automatically lose your case, you guys, if you do not file an answer, if you do not show up. So above all, like, I don't care anything, just show up, okay? And just make sure you don't ignore it. It's not going to go away. If you guys need further help with this, make sure you guys seek an attorney or a lawyer that can actually help you with this full process. They can go to court with you. They can even probably give you a few suggestions on what to do, what not to do. And what a lot of the lawsuits out there, sometimes these different companies would actually file a lawsuit outside the statute of limitations, meaning that they cannot do that. So companies have a certain amount of years to actually file a lawsuit. So look into the statute of limitations to see how long they have to actually sue you. And when you guys go to court, or even in your answer, ask for a credit contract. You want to be able to see how they actually own this debt, and you don't just want to see like a statement. Ask for a credit contract and do a lot of research on what exactly these companies should show. Because I'm not an attorney, I don't want to give y'all legal advice. I'm just going off of a list. So let me just say that. Like, I don't know exactly what would be considered just legal advice, but just ask for a credit contract. When I went and said it a lot of times, or even when I looked at certain cases, it was certain documents that they needed to have. So definitely, guys, do your research on this and understand that judgments no longer show up on your credit report. So if you do not show up and you get a default judgment, or even if you show up and you still get a judgment, they're not going to show up in your credit reports. Only thing I would think about with judgments is garnishment. So watch out for a garnishment. I know, like in Wisconsin, if you get any type of state assistance, they cannot actually garnish you. So try to see if you guys have certain things like that in your state. Each state is different. So try to look in your state and see exactly what they have, because they may have certain rules in terms of garnishment and when they cannot garnish you, the amounts that they can garnish you for. So definitely look into this. If you guys had any fraud charges on your case, ask your lawyer to look out for these fraud charges, because if you guys try to get this discharge in bankruptcy, it won't be able to get discharged. So this may be something that you guys definitely want to look out for. If you guys have any additional questions about this, you can definitely go to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call, or my phone number is 833-Rickita. Right now it's summertime when I'm actually recording this, and I'm not taking calls all summer unless you guys are inside of my memberships. You can get become a member. I'll be happy to talk to you guys. Or if you're already a member, let's talk about it. But definitely, if you have any questions, seek out a lawyer, because they're the one that's going to really be able to help you hands-on with this case and actually possibly give you some legal advice. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.